Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by aligning data and intent. Connect your CRM or import CSVs with consistent columns so Notebook LM reads names, roles, and context. Once connected, choose the sales outreach template and load a small sample of 5,200 rows to validate output. Define concrete goals, conversion rate, email cadence, and which personalization tokens to insert. Because Notebook LM tailors language to targets when you supply precise constraints and success metrics. You now craft prompts and map tokens to fields so Notebook LM generates usable outreach. Specify objective, tone, and strict link limits. Include the exact call to action you want. Once done, map first name, company, and pain point to spreadsheet columns and run substitutions on a test sample to confirm accuracy. Finally, establish output rules for subject line A/B variants, 2 to 3 body drafts, follow-up timing, and tags so the workflow can hand off messages to your sending system. You finalize by validating outputs and deploying carefully. Review 10 to 20 generated messages to ensure personalization, factual accuracy, and compliance. Once satisfied, deploy to a small cohort and monitor opens, replies, and conversions for 1 to 2 weeks to detect trends. If problems arise, troubleshoot methodically. Check for token mismatches, ambiguous prompts, or malformed data fields. Correct the source or prompt and retest on a sample before scaling to the full list to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.